everyone! Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm showing you 6 easy and beautiful natural hairstyles that you can recreate at home. They're simple, stylish, and perfect for everyday wear, so if you love easy natural hairstyles, keep watching and let's get started.
No it? Did you really feel it? You said you felt it. You were in it. Why, baby, why? Why, baby, why? Why, baby, why? I just wanna know. You got me wrong and I got you wrong. Why, baby, why? Why, baby, why? Why, baby, why? I just wanna know. Baby. Baby, please. Please listen to me. Please listen to me. Let me say what I gotta say. You got me wrong and I got you wrong. Why, baby, why? Why, baby, why? Why, baby, why? I just wanna know. Why, baby, why? Why, baby, why? Why, baby, why? I just wanna know. Did you pause for a minute? Did you even feel it? Yeah, you felt it.
And that's it. I hope you enjoyed these 6 easy natural hairstyles and found one you'd love to try. Which hairstyle is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. For more easy and beautiful hairstyles, thanks so much for watching. And I'll see you in my next video.